Oh yeah, YouTube, welcome back. Let's get some of that coffee in us. Today we got some fried alligator with some Creole mustard, and we got them crab ragoons that we did the other day. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and season up a pork butt and let's get it in the smoker. Let's smoke something today. Alright y'all, it's been 3 days. It's been raining 3 days straight. I got a little bit of sunshine, so let's get out and do some bashing, y'all. After a few jumps and speed runs, I think the pinion came loose. We're about to look at it. Next video, we're gonna open it up and check this out, see what's going on. Let's pull out the Hyper Go. Oh yeah, this thing's a little beast. After a few jumps on the Hyper Go, I kind of noticed something kind of funny. And let's take a quick look. Yep, right here on the back shot, looks like it came loose. Oh yeah, YouTube, y'all know what to do. Go down there and push them thumbs up, like and subscribe. This video is coming to the end. It's been a long, hard weekend. We've been cooking. Time for a little bit of bashing. Now we got some repairs to do coming up on the next few videos.